Hello guys again. Today I continue to tell you about our brave warrior, about Ukrainians who now fight in Ukraine, because I think just regard to them we can come back home. I really would like to come back and continue my project Amazing Ukraine. I would like in Ukraine we would have many tourists from over the world. Again, I can invite you to my country. Unfortunately not now, so we need to wait and we need to support this guy who stay there for Ukraine. Or Russian propaganda can tell you that there are Nazis fight in Ukraine, but I would like to tell that there fight ordinary people who had just normal life before the war. They were builders, they were drivers. There are also many ladies who now on the front line, and all of them need our support. First of all, they need to know that we also stand for Ukraine. We appreciate by all the hard work that they're doing now. In this video, I would like to tell you about my friend. I have some friends from Euromaidan. So one of my friends' name is Vadim. In ordinary life, he was lorry driver. He used to work in Europe. He used to drive lorry through all the Europe. He was in Italy, Germany, France. But after the war started, after all this mess in the beginning of the war started, his employee from Europe called him and tell, Vadim, come back to Europe. Go away from Ukraine. We can help you with job and we cross the border. But this guy told, no, I don't want to leave my country. I'm going to defend my country.
Добрий ранок всім. Ми сьогодні працюємо. А так у нас краєвиди. Я не один, з побратимами. Андрюха! Все у нас буде добре. Так що всім гарного дня. Давайте, все буде Україна.
And now, already for 22 months, he is on the front line. Usually he is on the front line in the most dangerous place.
Помахши ручки.
Heavy metal, бля. Welcome to Ukraine.
But anyway, these guys keep positive mood and they are very positive. I'm really happy to communicate with them. So at the moment, these guys need some financial support because for their job they need urgently special drone that's cost a lot of money. If you would like to send your donation, they will be really appreciated by this. Thank you guys for your attention, and I would like to tell that be brave, don't afraid to take new challenges, be brave as Ukrainians. See you very soon.